It looks like a nice day, deceptively so. It's northern winds, you can see the windsock. So it looks like it's about 8 knots right now, or 10 knots or something like that. And it's supposed to increase throughout the day, get gusty. And then I think it's negative 20. What did you say it was? Negative 20 Celsius at 18? Okay, there you go. So, challenging conditions. Let's go jump. So this is our landing area. And when the wind comes from that direction, obviously you have to decide either to go that way or to kind of cut across that way, or sometimes we even go like this. So I'll have to see how it is. That's also quite significant. So at 18, 61 knots. You literally have to give like 25-30 seconds of separation, or wait till the person's open if you're going out at 13. But 18, yeah, long time. And then with winds that strong, if we get out at 18, I'm not sure how high we're going. We're gonna get out probably even further. Here's the airport, probably even further north than the village up there, southern part of the village. Runway is about a mile long, so that gives you an idea of how far away that is.
I'm ready for it. Yay!
Turn, bro. Turn, bro. Yeah, Romelio, let's do this, buddy.
All right.
The windshield looks very clean. He's like, yeah.
That's for sure. You ready? I'm ready.
Jump run. Up there. I'm ready. technical landing. Highly technical.